aftermath of the Obama election in 2008, people are so excited about the watershed iconography of a black president, a beautiful first lady, and these gorgeous kids that they don't realize that there's mass incarceration, there's fundamental institutional racism that continues in 2013. Even though Oprah Winfrey has the $1 billion, the black community is more marginalized in 2013 than it was in 1963.
That exist on this panel today are from a really wide range of experiences and backgrounds, and that's part of what I'm excited to hear.
Education, to hear the in-depth discussion from the different perspectives of the panelists.
No doubt that Dr. King was a critical instrument of the Civil Rights Revolution. In his big speech at the March in Washington, he laid down some specific changes that he's looking forward to in America. Let me confess, I didn't believe him.
Well, I hope to be enlightened on Dr. King's effects on the society 45 years perhaps after his death.
Thank you so much. I hope we have more events like this.